Imagine a world bathed in a soft, ethereal glow. A world where neon signs dance and flicker, casting mesmerizing patterns. But have you ever wondered how much this magical element, neon, actually costs? Let's dive in and find out. Neon, a noble gas, was discovered in 1898 by Sir William Ramsay and Morris Travers. It's a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas found in small quantities in the Earth's atmosphere. Its unique properties, particularly its ability to emit light when subjected to an electrical current, make it a popular choice for various applications. Neon signs, the iconic use. Perhaps the most recognizable use of neon is in the creation of iconic signs. The bright, vibrant colors and distinctive glow of neon signs have captivated us for decades. From vintage diners to modern cityscapes, neon signs add a touch of nostalgia and excitement. Factors affecting neon price. The price of neon can vary depending on several factors, including purity. Higher purity neon generally costs more. The level of purity is essential for specific applications, such as medical equipment or lasers. Quantity. Buying neon in bulk often results in lower prices per unit. However, smaller quantities may come at a premium. Market demand. Fluctuations in market demand can influence neon prices. Increased demand, for example, due to economic growth or technological advancements, may lead to higher prices. Supply. The availability of neon can also impact its price. If there are disruptions in the supply chain, such as natural disasters or geopolitical events, the price may increase. Neon price trends. While it's challenging to provide an exact price for neon without considering the factors mentioned above, here are some general trends. Historically, neon prices have generally been relatively stable over time. However, there have been periods of fluctuation due to market conditions. Recent trends. In recent years, there has been a growing demand for neon, particularly in industries like electronics and medical technology. This increased demand may have contributed to slight price increases. Neon extraction and production. Neon is extracted from the air through a process called fractional distillation. This involves cooling and compressing air until it liquefies. The liquid air is then separated into its various components, including neon. The extraction process is energy intensive, which can contribute to the overall cost of neon. Neon applications beyond signs. While neon signs are iconic, neon has a wide range of other applications, including lasers. Neon lasers are used in various fields, such as medicine, telecommunications, and scientific research. Medical equipment. Neon is used in some types of medical equipment, such as MRI machines and cryogenic surgery. Electronics. Neon is used in certain types of electronic components, such as voltage regulators and neon indicator lamps. Industrial processes. Neon has industrial applications, such as in welding and plasma cutting. The price of neon can vary depending on factors like purity, quantity, market demand, and supply. While it's difficult to give a specific price, neon is generally considered a relatively stable commodity. Its unique properties and versatility make it a valuable element in various industries, from signage to high-tech applications. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.